3 camera angles. That's it. That's the difference between a video that feels flat and one that people actually keep watching. Wide, medium, close up. If you're only filming yourself from one angle in your B-roll, your content is already fighting an uphill battle. So in this video, I'm going to break down these 3 shots, show you exactly when to use each one, and give you a framework you can steal.
Know everything, who in the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me.
Here's the thing most people don't realize. Our brains crave visual variety. When you stay on one shot for too long, viewers can get bored. Not because your content is bad, but because there's nothing visually interesting happening. Think about it. When's the last time you watched a Netflix show that stayed on one camera angle for the entire scene? Never. Because filmmakers know that visual variety equals engagement. And the good news is you don't need a film crew to do this. You just need 3 intentional camera angles. First shot, the wide shot. This establishes context. It shows where you are, what you're doing, and your environment. Use this to open a video, introduce a new location, or give viewers a breather after all those close-ups. The mistake people make is they film everything wide. And that's boring because wide shots are for context, not continuous content. Use it intentionally, open with it, and return to it when you need to reset, but don't live there. Second shot is the medium shot, from the chest up. So this is your workhorse. This is where most of your talking happens. It's close enough to feel personal, but far enough to keep some breathing room. If you only had one shot for a video, this would be it. It's versatile, it's comfortable to watch, and it doesn't fatigue the viewer. Hence why most YouTube videos are filmed from this distance. But here's the key. Don't just sit there the whole time. Use it for explanations, transitions, and the bulk of your content, sure. But if you want to tell a compelling story, feel free to mix it up. Quick pause. If you're watching this and thinking, okay, I get the camera angles, but I still don't know what to actually film myself, I just built something for you. It's called the Creators Command Center. It's a Notion template that basically takes all the chaos of content creation and puts it into one place. Brand positioning, content ideas, pillars, filming checklists, editing checklists, and everything you need to go from I don't know what to post to having a system that actually works. I built it because I was tired of having my own content strategy just scattered across 5 different apps. Now it's all here in one place. So if that sounds helpful, link is in the description. Okay, now back to the third shot. All right, so the third shot is the close-up. This is your emphasis shot. When you need viewers to pay attention to a key insight or an emotional moment or a punchline, this is where you go. Close-ups create intimacy. They make the viewer feel like you're talking directly to them, one-on-one. Same words, but different impact. And there's something about the close-up that just makes it hit harder. But, and this is important, don't overuse it, because if everything is a close-up, then nothing feels important. Save it for moments that actually matter. All right, so how do you actually use all 3 shots together? Here's the pattern I follow. Open, wide. Establish the scene. Let viewers know where we are. Then move to medium for the bulk of your content. This is where you teach, explain, and tell your story. And when you hit a key point, you want something to stick, go close. Wide for context, medium for content, and close for impact. That's the framework. Now, you don't have to follow it rigidly, but if you're filming yourself and you're thinking, where should I start? That's okay. All right, so it's time for a few tips to make this all sink in a little bit easier. Okay, so number 1, you don't need 3 cameras, okay? Just film the same take 3 times from 3 different angles and then edit them together. Or if you're filming in 4K, shoot everything wide and then you can just crop in post. Wide, medium, close. Point 2, don't cut randomly, okay? Cut with intention. So wide when you start a new idea, medium when you're explaining something, and close when you're emphasizing something. And 3, what's your favorite creators? Notice when they cut and you'll start seeing the pattern. That's it. 3 shots, wide, medium, close up. Start using them and your videos will instantly feel more intentional, more professional, and more watchable. If you found this helpful, do me a favor. Hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you. I said I will see you in the next one. Peace and love every single time. Thanks.